We got our essentials. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the car mechanic's place. Let's go ask him, hey, my car says I'm gonna die if I don't get brake fluid. Skoda. In Japan. Interesting song. Nick Kershaw. I haven't heard this song in a long time. This is a great song, by the way. This is a very great song. Not many people know it, but it gets good. It gets good. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Got myself a drink. Raspberry. These caps, man. Jeez. Whoever invented this is a total genius. Oh yeah, fuel. Statch right there. Oh gee. Some of them want to use by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be loved and apologize. JC. OG. The boss. She's like the wind. It's an original song. Yeah, it's a real classic. I mean, who doesn't love this song, man? You know what I mean? The Return of Innocence. I remember when I lost my mind. When I moved to the Czech Republic, I lost my mind, man. Shut up and sleep with me again. Shut up. Future Time, didn't we already hear this stuff? Yeah, it wasn't on random. Now it's on random. Oh. We already listened to that one. That was a great song. Modern Talking. That was a mix. Oh, we're good. It's drizzling just a little bit. It's drizzling. It's not raining, it's drizzling. I feel bad for this guy. It's on the bicycle. That sucks. It's gonna get wet. Stay dry. It's from a song. DMX. Oh yeah. I already played this once a long time ago. This is a great song. Hold on tight. Here we go. Hold on tight. I love this song, man. JC. This is the song. Oh my God, here it comes, man, here it comes. It's about to drop. JC. This song is off the hook, man. This one gets me every time. I love this tune right here. It's hot. It's totally hot. Hold on tight. K-Lab and Reloop. Radio mix. Insane. I mean, listen to this. I couldn't live in Holland. I think I'd be every weekend. I'd be at one of those Thunderdome, White Sensation, Trans Energy. It'd be insane, man. I don't know what I would look like if I lived over there, man. I'd probably look like Bastian. You know what I mean? What's up, Bastian? What's going on, boss? I just want to say what's up to 4 OGs up in Holland. We got the original OG, Bastian. Then we got another OG, which is Jan and his son. What's up, OGs? And then we got this other OG. You got to give a shout out to this guy, Peter. It's not Peter. No, this guy's name is Royale. His name is Royale. It's a Peter or Peter, some super Royale name, man. Legit. This guy is a G, man. A genius. I talked to him for a minute. This guy's like a developer too. Talked about some stuff that he does and some stuff that he wanted to invent. He did invent and put some stuff together. Man, I can't believe he's not a gazillionaire, dude. He was talking about some cool stuff. I'm not gonna say what, private stuff, but that was so cool. That idea was so awesome, dude. The guy was a legit genius, man. I like that guy. He was awesome. All these 4 dudes, all original gangsters, players. So just want to say what's up, guys. And I made it to my spot, to my mechanic. Adios. The hell's the mechanic? I hope it's not like the Mask mechanic. You know, I don't want to pull up like at the Mask.
Hello? Hello? Hang on. Don't get your panties in a twist, would you? Hey, Bert.
What the hell is this?
Oh, I don't know. About $700, huh?